Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Wahpinas.com, and today we're gonna be doing a UVC sterilizer light lamp quick unboxing. The portable one, the small ones. If you watched the earlier video, we did one for the home, and this time we're gonna be doing something that's supposed to be portable that can be used in your bathroom, in your car. I bought two. The other one is passerby. Um, and I'm gonna be choosing which one is gonna be mine. Since the new normal is gonna be, looks like we're gonna last until December like this with the COVID and everything else, and you never know that you might need to sterilize your car or something like that, or probably the groceries. You can use it. Just put it in the box with your groceries, and then it's good to go. Okay, so this one on the left is from the Philippines. This one on the right is from a supplier in China. The one in Philippines is actually cheaper. It's only 550. The one from China is 628 pesos. We're gonna do quick unboxing right now. The cord seems to have been already brought out. It might have been tested. We don't know, but it was well sealed. The Philippines one is funny. When they sent it, it was well sealed with bubble wrap. This one wasn't. As you can see, there's dings on the box. So let's hope it's still working. So we're gonna start with the one that's from the Philippines. I sprayed already alcohol on the one that's outside, but I still haven't been able to spray the one inside. So we're gonna unbox it now, bring it out. There's the manual. It looks like it's well packed. It has styrofoam inside, foam, not styrofoam, foam. Okay, as you can see, it looks cute. Okay, so there's the micro USB port. Okay, and then the button to start it. So we'll see if it's charging. I have one cord here that's plugged in, and I'm gonna plug it in now. As you can see, there's a red light inside and the LED showing that it's charging. Okay, so we'll check later which is cuter. Looks like it also has a USB cord. Okay, and this one just has styrofoam in the packing, which is not packed that nice. See, let's hope that this actually still works. Okay, looks like the button is a little bit recessed already. There's the plug for the micro USB, so we're gonna try to plug it into using the same cord. Okay, and it's blinking. Okay, was earlier red. The other one is still not done, still blinking red. According to the manual, it should be solid red. That's also one of the comments of the ones I bought. It'll become solid red once it's full charge. So I've been charging it for about 2 hours already, and the black one just came full charge, and this one's still not full charged. So hi guys, we finished doing the first test, the first use for this portable UVC sterilizer lights or the infection lamps, and both of this actually worked for roughly about 30 minutes when we tried it, and there's a very faint smell of ozone. I know what it smells now because I smell it when I used the big one. So I guess this works. Hopefully it works because it has the smell of ozone and there's a blue light and everything else. Feel free to check it out by yourself. Just order from Shopee. Any other questions, just send me a comment here in the YouTube video. Thanks guys. Bye.